We are a part of the ECE department. This is project 1070, and we are working on wireless power transfer. So right here, as you can see, this is our transmitter circuit. So on the right there, we have our oscillator, which produces the AC signal that'll then be sent to our transmitter coil. And then on top of that is acting as the receiver coil, which will then receive the power that we send. So to power this circuit, we are using our 10-volt power supply, and we are measuring our voltage across the receiver coil with our multimeter, and then we are watching our waveform on the generator here.
And over here is our control circuit. The controller is a Raspberry Pi Pico, and right here is a IR proximity sensor, and when a phone is placed above the sensor, it will open the relay over here to start transmitting the power signal. And over here is a temperature sensor, and it will detect whether the circuit is overheating. And we also have another sensor on board of the Pi Pico, and it will also turn off the circuit if the controller is overheating. And when we place a phone on top of the circuit, on top of the proximity sensor, the relay will turn on and will be signaled by a green LED. And when it overheats, the relay will turn off and turn on the red LED to signal error.
Alrighty, so now when we place the phone over the sensor, this is our output of our oscillator. So you can see our AC signal at about 67 kilohertz. And then, if you would like to remove it then. Here is our output voltage before we have sensed the device, or before we start transmitting power. And as you can see, it jumped up about 3 millivolts, which signals that power is being transmitted across the coil. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.